Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Carl, and I'm out of class right now. I'm about to show you guys how to dismiss your whole class with the school bell. Let's get it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I have the school bell on my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys how to dismiss a whole class with the school bell. This is gonna be the school bell prank, and I'm gonna leave the bell in the description and everything. So we're going back to class right now, and I'm gonna play it off my laptop. Let's get it. Alright, I'm about to play it right now, and I'm about to dismiss this whole class. Look, got the school bell right here. We about to dismiss this whole class. Let's get it. I'm gonna leave the school bell in the description so y'all can use it. But we about to get out of class early. Watch this. We all leaving. What? Wait, no, I'm look at that, look at that. Only class out. That's how you get it out. You said what?
It's not.
School bell prank in class. I'm about to dismiss the class.
You guys, because I scratched ORB today, it's at the top of the screen. Okay, what to do? You guys are on number 3 and 4. Do you understand?
Got them. Got it.
So ORB tonight.
Oh, I got the teacher too. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Only class out right now. Only class out. Scoop.
Kick it through your door, punch you in your teeth. Put up with the sticks, my boy, it's me. I'm kicking through your door, punch you in your teeth. Put up with the sticks, my boy, it's me. Hop out, let it pop out, let it spark up. Hit your block up, my block up, leave your block out.